Okay, Homestead King's here. And you know what happened? We're gonna make some dandelion tea. I mean coffee, not tea. So, got my digging tool. I just use that for digging. Got my bag. Don't put them in. And let's go dig some dandelions. So, what we're looking for is so right now they don't have flowers on them, so you gotta look real closely. They're usually around here. I'm probably just missing them, but there's some. Let me try to find them. Right there. Right there. That's what the leaves look like. Kind of like spiky, you know, all around the edges. And it gets smaller as it goes down. The top is like that. Anyway, let's dig them up and I'll show you what the roots look like. And you find where the plant is. Sorry for shaking. Find where it's going from. Looks like right there. I'll find it and I'll dig it up. I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, I'm back. I picked up, you know, a couple more, like 3. That should be enough for just, you know, me. But let's go in the house and cook us some dandelion coffee. Okay, so I'm in the house. I'm gonna cut these dandelions up. Where's the other one? There was like 3 of them. No, I guess it's only 2 then. But yeah, I'm going to just a minute, it's zoomed out. Okay, I'm going to cut these now. I need to be real careful because I have a camera in my hand. I kind of want to get all of this on camera. I need like a tripod of some sort. Now, make sure you cut off the tops. Oh, there's the other one. There's just camouflage on that one. Okay, now, okay, now turn on the stove for about, put it on 7, that's, yeah, on what side it is on the stove. And then put them in the pot, in the pan or wherever you're cooking in. And then you just, you know, take a spatula or some kind of, you know, tool. I'm just gonna use some tongs. Then you just like swish them around for about 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes. Maybe if they're still wet like these ones are, I should let them dry off first. But anyway, it would probably be more. So I'm gonna cook these, and I'll show you the tea making and the coffee making process. Okay guys, so I got done cooking them. The way you can tell if they're done is because you'll Tia, quit please. That's my dog Tia right there. You can tell that they have like this real strong like coffee bean smell, sort of. So what I do is I like put my thumb on this spoon, you know, and I crush them to make them like coffee grinds, you know. Don't worry, you probably won't be able, unless you cook them longer, you probably won't be able to get them like all the way crushed to little pieces. But what I do is, well, it works just sort of. Yeah, that should be good. Okay. So what I need to do, I don't have no coffee filters or anything, so what I do is I get a paper towel. I like double it kind of like this, and then I take a cup kind of do it like that, you know. And I take these and I kind of put them like in there. Just a minute. Okay guys, so it didn't turn out as black as I thought it would, but this is like my third time making it, and it doesn't. I think like it's supposed to be more dandelion roots to make it the blackest. I don't know, but I only put 3 in here, so it's not that black, I think. But still, it tastes like sort of like a strong coffee, and if you smell it, it smells just like coffee. It's strong coffee, but if you drink it, it tastes like, well, like you'd expect dandelion coffee would taste. I don't know, but anyway, it doesn't look as, it doesn't have like a strong taste because it didn't put that much dandelions in it. But all I just did was put the dandelions that I crushed inside the paper towel, and then I poured hot water in it real slowly. You want to do it slowly because paper towels will break if you don't double them too. So yeah, bye.